Hello and welcome to the AI Gorillas YouTube channel. My name is Jeff. And this is going to be one of many time capsule videos that I will be coming out with over the next few years. Today's date is January 31st, 2023, and this video will come out in 2 years. Let me just say, starting a YouTube has been really fun and a lot tougher than it looks. This video is going to have lots of random stuff. I hope you enjoy. LOL. Let's hope in 2 years I'm up to 100,000 subscribers, and I know it's going to take a long time and hard work, but if I'm ever going to make money online, I'll have to get to work. At this time, smelly old Joe Biden is the prez, and things are not looking good in America, but crypto is looking good. As of today, Bitcoin is at the price of $23,148.50, and Dogecoin is at 0.09. I should really buy more of that. As I write this, I only have $1,000 to my name. I have a good job, but I did make some bad bets at the Hamster World Wrestling Federation. My hamster got suplex. My son is 14 now, and at the awkward stage in his life, which is kinda cute, he is beginning to smell like a burnt Cheeto, but he looks like a Brad Pitt, so he has that going for him. I have 2 dogs, one named Jax, he is the smelly one, super good boy though, and one girl named Eva, she is the cute one, but always beating up Jax, very funny. 2 cats, one boy named Oliver, he really is one of the nicest cats I've ever seen, and one girl cat who will kill you instead of being nice to you. Unless you have some food, then she is a sweet little thing. Oh, and a betta fish named Sushi, that guy is really chill, just saying. Until he sees himself, then he gets all puffy and tries to beat his own ace. LOL. My favorite actor is Tom Cruise. The guy is a real beast. I'm also super in love with all-you-can-eat buffets. LOL, and I got a gym membership at In Shape. Let's see how that works out. LOL. Oh yeah, and at this time I am only using AI voice bots for my YouTube videos. The bot's name was Jeff, so it kinda felt like destiny. I use the bot voice because I'm shy, and I'm not sure how people will like my voice, so yeah, that's why I'm using it. If anyone sees this video, please like and subscribe. AI. Let's talk about it. At this time an AI chat bot came out called Chat OpenAI GPT, and it's amazing. But some bad guys tried to use it to rob some banks. That's real bad. And other people tried to use it to take over the world. LOL. When will they learn? I mean, they are using AI and can't find anything better to do with it. That's kinda sad, guys. This is why we can't have nice things. Word has come out, the team who made the bot plan to charge people to use it. That super sucks. Big bummer. AI art is also taking over as well. Real artists are sad and upset at the fact the AI is so good it makes human art look, well, like trash, if I may say, and freely used everywhere. What else should I go over? Oh, my favorite YouTubers have to be Joe Rogan, Mr. Beast, Steven Crowder, The Quartering, and a video gamer named Slater. The guy is hella funny. With this lineup, you'll never need anyone else to watch ever. Let's talk about what's in the news. Dems have lost the mind control power over Twitter to Elon Musk, who seems to me a lot like Captain Planet at this point. The guy is everywhere, saving everything. Joe Biden has leaked secret documents to China for lots of money. Shit at this point. In America, who wouldn't? The government forced people to take the big COVID poke or lose their jobs. Sadly, I had to get the poke and I didn't want to. Let's hope I am even around in years to come. LOL. Son, if you ever get to see this, Dad loves you very much. I hope you are studying hard for school, and always remember the world is your Taco Bell. Get what you want from it. Back to the news. Oh wow, found some super sad news. Looks like 5 cops killed some poor guy named Try Nichols. God bless him and his family. I just watched the video, very messed up. Let's hope the cops go to jail a very long time. More crazy, a Phoenix park has been closed down because people keep finding human body parts in the park. Crazy. Holy crap, that's crazy. What the F is wrong with people? In other news, the horrible governor of California is at it again. The governor set the pimps and hoes loose on the streets of California, and is trying to bring open prostitution to California. Pimps and hoes run the streets now, walking the streets, doing drugs and sucking and mucking for cheap. Seems nice till you see the pimps have a shootouts over a special block or street corner, then fight over who's got the better hose. It's a real mess here, no lie. Seen a lady lose a stiff to another girl and the pimp beat the shit out of her right there on the street. Why is the governor doing this, you may ask? What's the plan, you ask? Well, as this video is my proof. This is what's going to happen, in my opinion. The governor is going to let the pimping get so bad he'll spend millions to get the girls off the streets, saying it's better for them. yet bring in billions after the fact to his greedy pockets. If you ask me, in my opinion, selling your body for money must be a big low for most girls. But it's been happening for as long as time and won't ever go away. All I ask is make it better and safer for the girls and give Tanya some breath mints, but I am sure it'll all work out just fine. The problem is, will it turn into an hourly wage job, or a lump sum payment like always? Only time will tell. LOL, this video took a real turn. Okay, well, I need some tacos and to get some sun. I hope this video is a big hit 2 years from now, and I am just going to add in some random pics and videos, so let's hope the video turns out okay. LOL, cheers gorilla fans. I hope all is well in the future and God bless you all. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.